Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of bulletproof glass. You know, that super strong glass that protects people from danger. In a world where safety is so important, bulletproof glass plays a critical role. It's the invisible shield protecting people from violence and crime. Think about it. Without bulletproof glass, banks, government buildings, and even some vehicles would be vulnerable to attacks. That's why understanding how bulletproof glass works is so important. It's not magic, but science. So let's break it down and see what makes this glass so tough. We all know what happens when you drop a regular glass. Crash! It shatters into a million pieces. That's because regular glass is brittle. It can't handle much force before it breaks. Now imagine shooting a bullet at regular glass. The result is the same, just a lot faster and more dramatic. The bullet would go straight through, potentially harming anyone on the other side. That's where bulletproof glass comes in. It's designed to stop bullets in their tracks, absorbing their energy and preventing them from penetrating through. But how does it do that? Well, that's what we're about to find out. Bulletproof glass, also known as ballistic glass, is a special type of glass that's much tougher than regular glass. Unlike ordinary glass, which shatters upon impact, bulletproof glass is designed to resist and absorb the force of bullets. It's made by layering multiple sheets of glass and plastic together. These layers are meticulously arranged to create a composite material that is both strong and flexible. This creates a material that can withstand the impact of a bullet. Each layer plays a crucial role in stopping the bullet, ensuring that the glass remains intact. The key to bulletproof glass is its ability to absorb and disperse the energy of a bullet. When a bullet strikes, the energy is spread across the layers, reducing its force. When a bullet hits the glass, the layers work together to slow it down. The initial layers absorb the initial impact, while subsequent layers further dissipate the energy. The plastic layers help to absorb the bullet's energy, while the glass layers prevent it from penetrating through. This combination of materials is what makes bulletproof glass so effective. It's like trying to run through a thick forest. Each tree slows you down a little until you finally stop. Similarly, each layer of bulletproof glass slows down the bullet until it comes to a halt. Bulletproof glass does the same thing to bullets. It's a marvel of modern engineering, providing safety and security in various applications from vehicles to buildings. Making bulletproof glass is a precise and intricate process that requires both advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship. It involves carefully layering sheets of glass and polycarbonate, a type of very strong plastic, to create a material that can withstand extreme impact. Let's take a closer look at the process and understand the steps involved in creating this remarkable material. First, the process starts with sheets of high-quality glass. This glass is specially manufactured to be free of impurities and defects. This glass is thicker and stronger than the glass we use in our windows, often several times thicker to provide the necessary strength. Next, sheets of polycarbonate are cut to the same size as the glass. Precision is key here, as any misalignment can compromise the integrity of the final product. Polycarbonate is a tough, transparent plastic that can bend and flex without breaking. This flexibility is crucial for absorbing and dispersing the energy from impacts. Then the glass and polycarbonate sheets are alternated and bonded together using a special adhesive. This adhesive is designed to be incredibly strong and durable. This creates a thick, multi-layered panel. Each layer plays a specific role in stopping bullets and other projectiles. Finally, the entire panel is then heated and pressed under immense pressure. This step ensures that all the layers are perfectly fused together. This process fuses the layers together, creating a single, incredibly strong piece of bulletproof glass. The result is a material that can stop bullets and protect lives. It's like making a super strong sandwich with multiple layers of bread and fillings. Each layer adds to the overall strength and resilience of the final product. Each layer has a specific purpose, and together they create a barrier that can withstand even the most powerful forces. This combination of materials and processes results in a product that is both transparent and incredibly strong, providing safety and security in a variety of applications. The final product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards of safety and performance. Bulletproof glass is used in everything from bank teller windows to military vehicles, providing critical protection in high-risk situations. Whether it's protecting people in a public space or safeguarding valuable assets, bulletproof glass is an essential component in modern security systems. Its development and production are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of safety. Despite its strength, bulletproof glass remains clear and transparent, allowing for visibility while providing unmatched protection. This balance of strength and clarity is what makes bulletproof glass such a remarkable material. Quality control is a critical part of the manufacturing process. Each piece of bulletproof glass is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the stringent standards required for safety and performance. Once the glass passes all inspections, it is carefully packaged and shipped to its final destination, ready to provide protection and peace of mind wherever it is installed. Ever wondered what a bulletproof glass factory looks like? Picture this: giant ovens, powerful presses, and skilled technicians working diligently. It's a fascinating process. Raw materials like silica sand for the glass and polycarbonate pellets arrive at the factory. The glass is melted and formed into sheets, while the polycarbonate is heated and molded. Then comes the layering process, where precision and care are critical. Once the layers are bonded, the real magic happens. The panels are placed in autoclaves, giant pressure cookers that apply heat and pressure simultaneously. This process creates the final, incredibly strong bulletproof glass. Now that we know how bulletproof glass is made, let's see where it's used. Banks, government buildings, and military vehicles all rely on bulletproof glass for protection. Think about the last time you were at the bank. That teller window? Bulletproof glass. It protects both the employees and customers from potential robberies. Or picture a convoy of military vehicles. Their windshields and windows are often fitted with bulletproof glass to protect soldiers from gunfire. Bulletproof glass is essential for keeping people safe in dangerous situations. Hey everyone, are you finding this journey into the world of bulletproof glass as fascinating as I am? Be sure to share this information with your friends and family so they can learn about it too. Knowing how things work makes the world a more interesting place. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science adventures. Section 8, the science behind the strength, polycarbonates, and pressure. So, what makes bulletproof glass so strong? It's all about the combination of materials and the way they're put together. Remember the polycarbonate layers? This amazing plastic is the secret sauce. Polycarbonate is incredibly strong and impact resistant. It can absorb a huge amount of energy without breaking. When a bullet hits bulletproof glass, the polycarbonate layers flex inward, slowing the bullet down. Meanwhile, the glass layers hold the polycarbonate in place and prevent the bullet from penetrating through. The immense pressure used during the manufacturing process fuses all the layers together, creating a single, incredibly strong unit. More than just banks' bulletproof glass in everyday life. While we often associate bulletproof glass with banks and government buildings, it's also used in many other places. You might be surprised to find bulletproof glass in convenience stores and gas stations in high-crime areas, schools and universities to protect students and staff, hospitals to safeguard emergency rooms and pharmacies, and jewelry stores to deter robberies. Even some homes have bulletproof windows and doors for added security. As technology advances, bulletproof glass is becoming more common and accessible, providing an extra layer of protection in various settings. The future of protection, even stronger, bulletproof glass. Scientists and engineers are constantly working to improve bulletproof glass, making it even stronger and more resistant to different types of attacks. New materials like synthetic fibers and ceramics are being incorporated into the layers to enhance their strength and durability. Imagine bulletproof glass that's thinner, lighter, and even more transparent than what we have today. This would make it ideal for a wider range of applications, from protecting smartphones and tablets to creating safer aircraft and spacecraft. The future of bulletproof glass is bright, with ongoing research and development leading to even more innovative and effective ways to keep people safe. Bulletproof glass, a necessary shield in a changing world. In an era where unpredictability is the norm, having reliable protection is more crucial than ever. In a world facing complex challenges, safety and security are paramount. From public spaces to private homes, the need for robust protective measures has never been greater. Bulletproof glass stands as a testament to human ingenuity, providing a vital line of defense in situations where every second counts. Its ability to withstand extreme conditions and protect lives is a remarkable achievement. While we hope for a future where violence is a distant memory, the reality is that we need to be prepared for the unexpected. This preparation involves not just the creation of protective materials, but also the implementation of rigorous safety protocols. Bulletproof glass offers a sense of security and peace of mind, allowing us to go about our lives without constant fear. Whether it's in schools, offices, or public transportation, this technology ensures that safety is always a priority. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the ways in which we protect ourselves. Innovations in materials science and engineering are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible, making our world a safer place. But one thing remains certain: the need for safety and security will always be a fundamental human need. As we navigate an ever-changing world, the importance of reliable protection cannot be overstated. Stay safe, stay informed, subscribe for more. And that's a wrap on our exploration of bulletproof glass. I hope you enjoyed learning about the science behind this incredible material. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding how things work empowers us to make informed decisions. Stay curious, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science adventures.